So guys, me down in the heart of town, so I walk and go up a KFC right now. I mean, I tell you, say, the whole of this road here down in the Santa Town here, mash up like crazy. I'll show you what I'm going. See all over the gas station there, so. A gas station that damaged right through. Anybody can just walk through but take out what they want. Let me go show you what I'm going over the gas station over here, so. See that? All over this a gas station here, so. Tear down. All over this a gas station here, so. Tear down. All over here, so guys. Tear down. Clean, clean, clean. So right now, I don't know when we are going to regroup and come again. I don't even tell you, watch out. Guys, this is not normal, right? I go up KFC road there right now. Showing you everything what going on. Watch out. You see? From the whole of them places, so tear out completely. One jail run from there, so come all the way across over and I so down in that gully, so. And trust me, this is not hi darling, how you doing, alright? So, whole of that, so. Hello. And so this is a Mandeville stand. What? Over here is a Mandeville stand. The whole of here is so flat completely. If you know Santa Cruz, you know exactly what I talk about. So here is a Mandeville stand. Everything here so like you just wash, compile up one place over here. So whole of here is done, guys. Let me tell you, say done. Completely done. See? And nothing normal. And you see up this again, guys. The whole up there, so like water just wash every dump. Every log just gonna log up here. So I'm sure now what I'm going. Cause, boy, this thing is not normal. Here me tell you, say, this thing here is not normal. Me tell you, say, if you don't know Santa Cruz and no Mandeville stand, you don't know what I talk about. The whole of here, so guys, everything wash all the way from up there, so come down, come log up here, so. Jaja. I go up there and show you what I'm going. Big boss! There, man, everything up? Alright, so me I show you, so guys. Everything can log up right up here, so they have a big landslide over there, so. See all the container there, so. They move the container and can lodge it right over there, so. Trust me, guys, it's a scene and a half. Big boss!